Hey, Rich.
So I got a new live well, and this hopefully will treat us well tonight.
No pun intended. Ooh, what do we got in there?
Sunnies.
Sunnies, nice.
Let's get some fish, Dave.
All right, let's do it.
All right. I'm gonna put this on the ground real quick. So first things first, we take this out. Extend that. And we take these out.
Where'd you get that from?
I got it on Amazon.
Oh, you got, yeah.
Be good though. You know, there's no, I have no complaints. That,
Yeah.
They're tough use. You know.
There it is.
This probably in the back here. Put the chicken right there. The bait tray. What I'll do is I'll put it in here like for now. Then when we get there, we'll set it up.
Yeah.
So I got.
Oh, those are big.
We're gonna do one on the top, one on the bottom. Okay, and then I'm gonna set the other one up for the bottom. So we'll do two bottom, one top.
Okay.
Let's roll. I'll cut different sizes. So right about here the water drops off, so about 20 feet out it starts dropping pretty quick.
Okay.
So it's about 10 feet, and the further you go I think it goes up to 20 feet.
But you were saying we just wanted shallow.
Well, let's do a little bit of everything.
Okay.
See, now it's floating straight up.
It's not touching the ground, the bottom, yeah.
So we'll put that one here.
Oh, that'll hold two?
Actually, it holds three.
Oh.
This one will do a different type of setup. All right. I'm going to use a snake weight on this one. Yeah, so this goes on first. And then we're going to use a bead. Put a bead on. Because what this does is it protects the knot. Okay, slider, sinker, and then swivel. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do the Palomar knot.
Yeah, I've heard that one. I don't know.
It's a very simple knot, actually. All right, next we're going to make our leader. And there's this. So we're going to do about, I'd say about that much. First thing we're going to do is we're going to snell a hook. So you take the peg out, you slip this through, and then you put the peg in
to
jam it.
Yeah.
And now you could change So we're gonna probably have it down to about right there. So we're gonna do a clinch knot on this one. And there we go, there's our clinch knot. So that's your leader. Clip it. So what'll happen is this is on the ground, right? This will be on the ground.
Right. All right, and then that can float up.
And then this will float up a little bit like
Okay.
this.
So that's coming.
Yes.
So that's the opposite of. Right.
Yep.
Well, that's cool.
There we go, that's it.
And we wait.
And we wait.
Okay.
Yep. But yeah, this is my new fishing because I can just sit out and.
Once you get everything in there, then it's just waiting. But they can bite pretty.
But yeah, certain
hard, right?
catfish have a good amount of teeth on them too. So when they noodle, a lot of them have gloves on.
Yeah.
When they get it, you know.
Well, I've seen maniacs on TV that don't wear gloves.
Yeah.
That's. Oh, crane. Oh my gosh. Probably eats well over here. Yeah.
So you put that on the breading.
Yeah.
Comes out outstanding.
I mean, it always sounded good to me.
Yeah, I love fried fish. And catfish is probably one of the best freshwater fish fried.
Yeah. I feel something.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, something's
doing it.
Yeah.
So come down, pull your tip down a little bit.
Real.
You still feel something?
Yeah, something's nibbling.
Okay. Once you feel it kind of like go down,
Yeah.
jerk it back, and then reel the sucker in. If that's good, then the bait's still on. It's doing it. Get him. You got him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you got?
I don't know.
You got something. What is that? Could be a bass too. What does David got? It's a cat.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, all right, good, right there. Come right over here. The small cat, that's a nice eater cat right there. Nice, dude.
Nice.
You got a cat.
Nice.
What do you want to do? You want to keep him or you want?
Yeah, screw it.
All
Let's
right.
keep it, man.
Okay.
If that's a good size for eating.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, they got some.
Okay. Gotcha. Got something on. Dude, that's a big fucking muskie underneath. Holy shit. That's who it is. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. I was like, wondering what the fuck that was. I got muskie, dude. Oh, he broke off. Fucking shit. Oh.
Damn. That was something big.
Yeah, it was. Kitty.
Oh yeah.
All right, man.
Number 2. Oh, that's a big. Is that a bigger one?
Yeah, can you get the grips?
Yeah. Hold on. Where the? Oh, here they are. So what do you do? Just. Oops.
Yep.
Wait a minute. What do I just do?
Push it forward, I think. Timmy. Oh, he broke off.
Are you kidding me? I don't... Oh, you mother...
That's it. Don't worry about it.
There you go.
I think I could get him. You know, let's just be safe.
Get the fuck on there.
Cool, got it. All right, hook out. Do.
The fish. A little tartar sauce. Never heard anything. See how it is. Just let's make sure I cooked it all the way through. Absolutely did. You can see it's white and flaky. That's actually really good. That's really good. Well, this is my first time having catfish. It's pretty damn good. I'm gonna have to go out with Rich again. Get some more of these Oxford catfish. They're pretty good.